Okay, so I wanted to show off some more of my DBZ stuff, and I figured I would start uh, with the Burger King toys that came out in 2000. And I have all of them from the set, but some of them are incomplete. I don't have their stands or I don't have their cards, but I have the figures. And I actually have 5 of these guys. I have 5 of the silver or pewter Vegetas. Because here's one with his stand. And they have this kind of blackened part to it. And these would light up if you press the nameplate, but only my Krillin one still manages to work. And I have Roman numerals on most of my Vegetas. Here is Krillin. He's a very shiny and smooth one too, really. And this is where the card would go. Let's see. It doesn't really show up very well, but his Z does light up still. Just hard to see on camera. I have Krillin's card and Vegeta's and I think Frieza's somewhere. They were with my trading cards. And here's Frieza. They all had different colored stands. The only movement they have is in the waist. And they can come off their stands, and this part can even come off. It was how it was attached in the bags for Burger King. Now here's my last one I have that has a stand. And I never had Piccolo's card. I have another figure of this Piccolo somewhere else, because I found it thrifting where I found most of them. And they're a little dusty. But I have these guys over on my movies. And Piccolo's cape can come off, so you can have him capeless. But there is, let's see, I'll put him right here. Alright, and these are the ones that I have that don't have their stands or their cards. I have Goku, also in the pewter. Thought it was pretty nice for looking kind of like metal, but not. Some of them stand alright on their own, but this one isn't one of the best ones for standing. There we go. And next one is Gohan. Namek Saga Gohan. And I thought he had a really nice sculpt for his face. They all had pretty good sculpts to them. Especially Krillin and Gohan, I thought, had really nice sculpts to their face. Let's see. The Gohan here. And the last one is the only one that's gold. And it's Super Saiyan Goku. He has an alright face. I think these guys need to be cleaned again. But yeah, That's just another piece of my DBZ memorabilia. All these guys. Well, let's see. I'll see you guys next time.